AddCAD has a powerful stair modeler, but for simple types of stairs, there are also numerous parametric objects. Let's insert a parametric 2-flight corner stair. In the parameter dialog box, we can modify the number of risers to give the stair the shape we want. When inserting, we choose the appropriate insertion point. We call it fix point, because in case of change, its position doesn't vary. In this case, the corner is certainly the most correct. So let's add a handrail, maybe only on the first flight. There are some objects ready to be used, or we can use the modeler to create a handrail to our pleasure. In the dialog box, we accept the default values, and then we first select the stair, and then the start and end point of the handrail. As we can see in this example, we do not want it for the whole of the stair. Now we are going to create the floor slab above the first floor. In the dialog box, you are asked for the ceiling elevation, slab thickness and other options. We leave the dialog box clicking the external button. In this way we can directly select a line of the perimeter wall. In the command bar, we are asked to select the outline of the hole. In our example, the stair already has this information, so using the object button you just need to select it. At this point we want to create the second floor. In the floor management dialog box, we could create a new floor and draw it all over again, but it seems more convenient to copy the existing floor and then modify it. Select Copy and specify the new floor elevation. The new floor is done. To be able to work without confusion, we disable the first floor so we can focus on the second. After we have switched to the 2D plan representation, we begin by deleting the stair, and then we also delete the two walls that are not needed on the second floor. Finally, we replace the main door with a French door. Of course, in a real project, perhaps other interventions might be required, but this is just a demonstration example. Therefore, let's immediately add a roof. AddCAD has many models from which to start, and all are adaptable to our needs. Let's create a simple gable roof. The dialog box presents several options. We accept the default. The mere indication of 3 points, and here is the roof. Suppose we want to change the roof slab below following the course of the wall, indicated exactly by the white line. A special command allows you to work on the slab vertices by adding new vertices if necessary. In our case, we need a new vertex which we are going to insert in the necessary position. Let's see the three-dimensional view, and we notice that the wall is still at a constant height. We need to adjust it to the roof. A click on the correspondent command, and here is the wall we wanted. Now, for example, we want to make another change on the roof. We want to change the slope of the roof slab on the right. Instead of 30, we set 40 degrees and we decide to keep the gutter height unchanged. We are in fact asked to select the point to keep fixed. Finally, we want to move the roof slab to the left so that the two rooftops match. To do this, we use a ZWCAD move command. We update the view of the walls so that it is correct. As you can see, you can manage the roofs so that they are suitable for our particular needs. Let's also activate the first floor in order to see the final result.